In water polo, you have players that are passing the ball around. When they catch the ball, they have the opportunity, they might shoot the ball at the goal. The goalie is going to block the ball, but sometimes goalies get hit in the head.
Oh!
So I got interested in wanting to know what was the incident rate or the occurrence of concussion and head impact injury in water polo. It turns out that a men's water polo ball by collegiate players can be thrown at a velocity of anywhere between 35 and 45 miles per hour. And at the highest levels, probably at the Olympic level, they can even get faster than that, 50, 55 miles an hour.
So you see some elbows, some fists, some feet, sometimes intentional, sometimes unintentional. I've had 2 players in my career, and I know the men's team has had a player as well who have actually had to stop playing as a result of multiple concussions and been out for their entire career.
So the study will consist of 3 parts. A survey, which will go out to all current and past members of USA Water Polo. We'll conduct a study on head impact forces using a crash test dummy, collaborating with engineering. And then we will ultimately have players wear 3D accelerometers which will measure head impact forces during practice and ultimately during gameplay situations.
We're doing testing with an ATD, an anthropomorphic testing dummy, using accelerometers and measuring the forces that are being imparted upon this ATD. And we're doing that to get a range of forces based on a variety of pressures to see if there's a safe as ball pressure and see if there's a way, based on how the forces are imparted on the head, to make these sports more safe to play based on adding headgear, adding regulations for safer pressure.
3, 2, 1.
UCIrvine is the ideal place to run this study from a historical standpoint and from the fact that we are located in Orange County. Orange County is the mecca for water polo in the United States. I can interact with engineers on this topic. I can interact with social scientists on the survey aspect of the topic. I can interact with neurologists, and that's all brought together under this initiative here at UCI.
And it would be great to take information from this study and then hopefully in the future have somebody develop a potential way to create protective equipment that keeps our players from getting concussions and protects their brains.